Hello, my peeps. This Algebra Nation video will cover workbook page 7 times 9. It's too bad you didn't use a commutative property and say 9 times 7.
This first equation already is in y equals mx plus b. So begin with b equaling 3, 1, 2, 3, and then your slope m is negative 1 half. b, the y-intercept is 3, your slope m is negative 1 half. So from that point, since it's negative, you'll go down 1 and then to the right 2. And then you'll connect your points. And there's your line. For this next equation, well, I would probably go ahead and find the x and y intercept. If you went ahead and solved for y, that's fine as well. Here, the x-intercept is when y is 0, x plus 0 equals 1, and that was pretty nice because x equals 1. The y-intercept is when x equals 0. So again, that's pretty nice because y equals 1. That's a y, and it equals 1. That means the x-intercept is 1, and the y-intercept is 1, and that wasn't too bad to figure out. Just again, x-intercept, y is 0, y-intercept, x is 0. The x-intercept is 1. Hit the x-axis at 1. The y-intercept is 1. Hit the y-axis at 1. You've got 2 points, connect them, and there's your line. One more. Graph this equation. So did you solve for y, or did you find the intercepts? Again, I'm going to find the intercepts. I like it when it's already y equals, because that's really fast to graph. Otherwise, I want to find the x, y intercepts. But again, if you solved it a different way, as long as we have the same line, that's fine. The x-intercept is when y is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. And you have the x-intercept of negative 4, which remember is negative 4 comma 0. The y-intercept is when x is 0. 0 plus 4y is 4y equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 4, and you'll get y equals negative 1, which is 0 comma negative 1. So we have our x-intercept, we have our y-intercept, we can graph. Our x-intercept is negative 4, so it hits the x-axis at negative 4. The y-intercept is negative 1, so it hits the y-axis at negative 1. So we can go ahead and connect to draw our line. So again, 2 methods, either intercepts or we can use slope-intercept method. So if you're ready, because I'm ready, are you ready? Let's. Here we go. 2 questions. First one is, which...
Really? Because I thought he asked if you were ready for a brain break. When you take the EOC in May, make sure you bust out these moves. Oh yeah. You do this on the EOC, and you will pass with flying colors. Alright, back to work.
is the graph of the following equation. In this case, I would probably go ahead and do the intercept method. I would find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Remember, in x-intercept, y is 0. So I'm going to plug in 2x minus 5 times 0 equals negative 10. 5 times 0 is just 0, giving me 2x equals negative 10. Divide both sides by 2. And x would equal negative 10 divided by 2. X would equal negative 5, and that would be the x-intercept. The coordinate would be negative 5 comma 0, but really we're looking for, again, the x-intercept being negative 5. So let's see if we can narrow down some answers here. Answer choice A. Be very careful with these graphs. It is between negative 4 and negative 6 for the x-intercept, which would be negative 5, which means that A, we're going to keep for now. B also has an x-intercept of negative 5, but C has an x-intercept of positive 5. That one is out. And D also has an x-intercept of positive 5. That one is also out. So all we're left with now is choices times 0 is 0, leaving me negative 5y equals negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 5. And remember, a negative over a negative is positive. 10 divided by 5, 4. Negative 10 divided by negative 5 would give you positive 2. The coordinate would be 0, 2, because remember, for a y-intercept, x is 0, and for an x-intercept, y is 0. But right now, I want to see which of my answers, A or B, has a y-intercept of 2. It looks like A has it, and B does not. The answer for the first question is A. This would be the graph for the following equation: 2x minus 5y equals negative 10. So let's do one more. What if you got a question, Michael?
Maybe he should get extra yards for using PO, process of elimination.